Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Umax and going straight to Photos. Grant any permission prompts so the app can access storage. Once done, sign in if required, and tap the Photos tab to show your albums and all images. Make sure you're viewing the correct album or the main gallery. This avoids deleting the wrong files. You'll begin selecting images immediately, so position the device for steady taps and keep an eye on date, thumbnail, and file size information while you work. Next, enter selection mode by long pressing a photo or tapping Edit. This switches Umax into multi-select so you can pick several images. You should tap each thumbnail you want removed, watching file name, date, and size as cues. If you need to confirm a photo, use the preview. Once the set is chosen, double-check any screenshots or important receipts. This step prevents accidental loss. After reviewing, look for the trash icon or delete button to proceed to removal with confidence. Finally, tap the delete or trash icon and follow the confirmation prompt. Umax may offer permanent delete versus moving to recently deleted, so choose deliberately. Once removed, open recently deleted to verify photos were moved there. You can restore within the retention period if you changed your mind. If deletions fail, make sure storage permissions are enabled, clear the app cache, and restart Umax. These fixes resolve most sync or permission glitches. If problems persist, check device storage and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.